And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today we will be learning about the hiragana symbols tachi tsu teto and tachi zu teto. So we're going to have ta, chi, tsu teto, just so we have that there. So ta is just one line like this, another line going down but then angling away a little bit, and then you basically draw a core, and that is ta. So you just do that or something. And chi, probably one of the easiest, if not the easiest. You literally just draw a 5. Now take note of this is what actually makes chi. So it's not this, that's 5. This, that's chi. So just take note. Then 2 is just this. The open side is facing that way. Then you have te, which is just one line, you don't lift your hand, and that's basically te. Let's draw it again. There you go. Now to is just that, like a 2 but facing the other way, and then like that. So that's tachi tsu teto. Now we have to go to tachi zu teto. So let's start. So just like usual, we can just draw a normal ta. So there's ta, but once you do that, it becomes da. And then we can draw chi. Once you do that, it turns into G. Now I know what you're thinking, but if this is G, then how can this is she, but with this it's called a G, how can they be the, how does that work? Well, you have different ways and times you use it, but for right now just know that both of these are G, but they are used differently. Also, this G right here you can also pronounce as Z sometimes, but most of the time you pronounce this as G, as far as I know. And then you have your normal tsu, and once you do that, it becomes zu. Now you're probably also wondering, like, hey, wasn't the previous one also zu? So it was. Wasn't that also zu? Yeah, same thing here, but yeah, they're both zu. Don't get too confused. And then you have your normal te, but as soon as you add that, it turns into de. Let's just redraw that. Boom, and there we go. And there, that's de. Turns from te into de once you add these. And then you have your do. So it's just a normal to, and then you add your symbols. So yeah, that is tachi tsu teto and tachi zu teto. So yeah, thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.